Problem 1. Solve for x in the equation x over 2 equals 8. Start with the given linear equation. X over 2 equals 8. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to undo the division. 2 times x over 2 equals 8 times 2. Use cancellation to isolate the variable on the left side. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out equals 8 times 2. Perform the multiplication on the right side to find x. X equals 16. Answer: x equals 16. Problem 2. Solve for y in the equation y over 3 plus 5 equals 12. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 3 plus 5 equals 12. Subtract 5 from both sides of the equation to isolate the term with the variable. Y over 3 plus 5 minus 5 equals 12 minus 5. Use cancellation to show the constant terms reaching 0. Y over 3 plus 5 minus 5 cancelled out equals 12 minus 5. Simplify the remaining equation. Y over 3 equals 7. Multiply both sides of the equation by 3 to undo the division. 3 times y over 3 equals 7 times 3. Use cancellation to simplify the left side. 3 cancelled out, y over 3 cancelled out equals 7 times 3. Perform the multiplication on the right side to find y. Y equals 21. Answer: y equals 21. Problem 3. Solve for z in the equation z over 5 equals 10. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 5 equals 10. Multiply both sides of the equation by 5 to undo the division. 5 times z over 5 equals 10 times 5. Use cancellation to simplify the left side. 5 cancelled out, z over 5 cancelled out equals 10 times 5. Perform the multiplication on the right side to find z. Z equals 50. Answer: z equals 50. Problem 4. Solve for x in the equation x over 4 minus 2 equals 3. Start with the given linear equation. X over 4 minus 2 equals 3. Add 2 to both sides of the equation to isolate the term with the variable. X over 4 minus 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2. Use cancellation to show the constant terms reaching 0. X over 4 minus 2 plus 2 cancelled out equals 3 plus 2. Simplify the remaining equation. X over 4 equals 5. Multiply both sides of the equation by 4. 4 times x over 4 equals 5 times 4. Use cancellation to isolate x on the left side. 4 cancelled out, x over 4 cancelled out equals 5 times 4. Perform the multiplication on the right side. X equals 20. Answer: x equals 20. Problem 5. Solve for y in the equation y over 10 equals 6. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 10 equals 6. Multiply both sides of the equation by 10. 10 times y over 10 equals 6 times 10. Use cancellation to simplify the left side. 10 cancelled out, y over 10 cancelled out equals 6 times 10. Perform the multiplication on the right side to find y. Y equals 60. Answer: y equals 60. Problem 6. Solve for z in the equation z over 2 plus 10 equals 15. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 2 plus 10 equals 15. Subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. Z over 2 plus 10 minus 10 equals 15 minus 10. Use cancellation to show the constant terms reaching 0. Z over 2 plus 10 minus 10 cancelled out equals 15 minus 10. Simplify the remaining equation. Z over 2 equals 5. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. 2 times z over 2 equals 5 times 2. Use cancellation to isolate z. 2 cancelled out, z over 2 cancelled out equals 5 times 2. Perform the multiplication to find the final value. Z equals 10. Answer: z equals 10. Problem 7. Solve for x in the equation x over 7 equals 3. Start with the given linear equation. X over 7 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 7. 7 times x over 7 equals 3 times 7. Use cancellation to isolate x. 7 cancelled out x over 7 cancelled out equals 3 times 7. Perform the multiplication. X equals 21. Answer x equals 21. Problem 8. Solve for y in the equation y over 6 minus 1 equals 4. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 6 minus 1 equals 4. Add 1 to both sides of the equation. Y over 6 minus 1 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1. Use cancellation to show the constant terms reaching 0. Y over 6 minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out equals 4 plus 1. Simplify the remaining equation. Y over 6 equals 5. Multiply both sides by 6. 6 times y over 6 equals 5 times 6. Use cancellation to isolate y. 6 cancelled out y over 6 cancelled out equals 5 times 6. Perform the multiplication. Y equals 30. Answer, y equals 30. Problem 9. Solve for z in the equation z over 9 equals 2. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 9 equals 2. Multiply both sides by 9. 9 times z over 9 equals 2 times 9. Use cancellation to isolate z. 9 cancelled out z over 9 cancelled out equals 2 times 9. Perform the multiplication. Z equals 18. Answer, z equals 18. Problem 10. Solve for x in the equation x over 3 plus 8 equals 11. Start with the given linear equation. X over 3 plus 8 equals 11. Subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. X over 3 plus 8 minus 8 equals 11 minus 8. Use cancellation for the constants. X over 3 plus 8 minus 8 cancelled out equals 11 minus 8. Simplify the equation. X over 3 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 3. 3 times x over 3 equals 3 times 3. Use cancellation to isolate x. 3 cancelled out x over 3 cancelled out equals 3 times 3. Perform the multiplication. X equals 9. Answer, x equals 9. Problem 11. Solve for y in the equation y over 8 equals 1. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 8 equals 1. Multiply both sides by 8. 8 times y over 8 equals 1 times 8. Use cancellation to isolate y. 8 cancelled out y over 8 cancelled out equals 1 times 8. Perform the multiplication. Y equals 8. Answer, y equals 8. Problem 12. Solve for z in the equation z over 4 minus 5 equals minus 2. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 4 minus 5 equals minus 2. Add 5 to both sides of the equation. Z over 4 minus 5 plus 5 equals minus 2 plus 5. Use cancellation for the constants. Z over 4 minus 5 plus 5 cancelled out equals minus 2 plus 5. Simplify the equation. Z over 4 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 4. 4 times z over 4 equals 3 times 4. Use cancellation to isolate z. 4 cancelled out z over 4 cancelled out equals 3 times 4. Perform the multiplication. Z equals 12. Answer, z equals 12. Problem 13. Solve for x in the equation x over 12 equals 4. Start with the given linear equation. X over 12 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 12. 12 times x over 12 equals 4 times 12. Use cancellation to isolate x. 12 cancelled out x over 12 cancelled out equals 4 times 12. Perform the multiplication. X equals 48. Answer, x equals 48. Problem 14. Solve for y in the equation y over 5 plus 2 equals 2. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 5 plus 2 equals 2. Subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Y over 5 plus 2 minus 2 equals 2 minus 2. Use cancellation for the constants. Y over 5 plus 2 minus 2 cancelled out equals 2 minus 2. Simplify the remaining equation. y over 5 equals 0. Multiply both sides by 5. 5 times y over 5 equals 0 times 5. Use cancellation to isolate y. 5 cancelled out, y over 5 cancelled out equals 0 times 5. Perform the multiplication. Y equals 0. Answer, y equals 0. Problem 15, solve for z in the equation z over 11 equals 3. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 11 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 11. 11 times z over 11 equals 3 times 11. Use cancellation to isolate z. 11 cancelled out, z over 11 cancelled out equals 3 times 11. Perform the multiplication. Z equals 33. Answer, z equals 33. Problem 16, solve for x in the equation x over 2 minus 7 equals minus 10. Start with the given linear equation. X over 2 minus 7 equals minus 10. Add 7 to both sides of the equation. X over 2 minus 7 plus 7 equals minus 10 plus 7. Use cancellation for the constants. X over 2 minus 7 plus 7 cancelled out equals minus 10 plus 7. Simplify the equation. X over 2 equals minus 3. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 times x over 2 equals minus 3 times 2. Use cancellation to isolate x. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out equals minus 3 times 2. Perform the multiplication. X equals minus 6. Answer, x equals minus 6. Problem 17, solve for y in the equation y over 15 equals 4. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 15 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 15. 15 times y over 15 equals 4 times 15. Use cancellation to isolate y. 15 cancelled out, y over 15 cancelled out equals 4 times 15. Perform the multiplication. Y equals 60. Answer, y equals 60. Problem 18, solve for z in the equation z over 3 plus 1 equals minus 2. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 3 plus 1 equals minus 2. Subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Z over 3 plus 1 minus 1 equals minus 2 minus 1. Use cancellation for the constants. Z over 3 plus 1 minus 1 cancelled out equals minus 2 minus 1. Simplify the equation. Z over 3 equals minus 3. Multiply both sides by 3. 3 times z over 3 equals minus 3 times 3. Use cancellation to isolate z. 3 cancelled out, z over 3 cancelled out equals minus 3 times 3. Perform the multiplication. Z equals minus 9. Answer, z equals minus 9. Problem 19, solve for x in the equation x over 10 equals 0.5. Start with the given linear equation. X over 10 equals 0.5. Multiply both sides by 10. 10 times x over 10 equals 0.5 times 10. Use cancellation to isolate x. 10 cancelled out, x over 10 cancelled out equals 0.5 times 10. Perform the multiplication. X equals 5. Answer, x equals 5. Problem 20, solve for y in the equation y over 4 minus 10 equals minus 10. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 4 minus 10 equals minus 10. Add 10 to both sides of the equation. Y over 4 minus 10 plus 10 equals minus 10 plus 10. Use cancellation for the constants. Y over 4 minus 10 plus 10 cancelled out equals minus 10 plus 10. Simplify the remaining equation. Y over 4 equals 0. Multiply both sides by 4. 4 times y over 4 equals 0 times 4. Use cancellation to isolate y. 4 cancelled out, y over 4 cancelled out equals 0 times 4. Perform the multiplication. Y equals 0. Answer, y equals 0. Problem 21, solve for z in the equation z over 20 equals 5. Start with the given linear equation. z over 20 equals 5. Multiply both sides by 20. 20 times z over 20 equals 5 times 20. Use cancellation to isolate z. 20 cancelled out, z over 20 cancelled out equals 5 times 20. Perform the multiplication. Z equals 100. Answer, z equals 100. Problem 22, solve for x in the equation x over 5 plus 3 equals 1. Start with the given linear equation. X over 5 plus 3 equals 1. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. X over 5 plus 3 minus 3 equals 1 minus 3. Use cancellation for the constants. X over 5 plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out equals 1 minus 3. Simplify the equation. X over 5 equals minus 2. Multiply both sides by 5. 5 times x over 5 equals minus 2 times 5. Use cancellation to isolate x. 5 cancelled out, x over 5 cancelled out equals minus 2 times 5. Perform the multiplication. X equals minus 10. Answer, x equals minus 10. Problem 23, solve for y in the equation y over 100 equals 0.25. Start with the given linear equation. Y over 100 equals 0.25. Multiply both sides by 100. 100 times y over 100 equals 0.25 times 100. Use cancellation to isolate y. 100 cancelled out, y over 100 cancelled out equals 0.25 times 100. Perform the multiplication. Y equals 25. Answer, y equals 25. Problem 24, solve for z in the equation z over 2 minus 15 equals 5. Start with the given linear equation. Z over 2 minus 15 equals 5. Add 15 to both sides of the equation. Z over 2 minus 15 plus 15 equals 5 plus 15. Use cancellation for the constants. Z over 2 minus 15 plus 15 cancelled out equals 5 plus 15. Simplify the equation. Z over 2 equals 20. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 times z over 2 equals 20 times 2. Use cancellation to isolate z. 2 cancelled out, z over 2 cancelled out equals 20 times 2. Perform the multiplication. Z equals 40. Answer, z equals 40. Problem 25, solve for x in the equation x over 6 equals minus 1. Start with the given linear equation. X over 6 equals minus 1. Multiply both sides by 6. 6 times x over 6 equals minus 1 times 6. Use cancellation to isolate x. 6 cancelled out, x over 6 cancelled out equals minus 1 times 6. Perform the multiplication. X equals minus 6. Answer, x equals minus 6.